Exterior tile surfaces must shed water and stay safe, so follow the exterior tile slope drainage thumb rule. Slope at least 1/4 inch per foot away from the structure. For a durable installation, set the slope to a minimum of 1/4 inch per foot across the tile field, measured from the house toward the drain or yard, because that angle reliably moves water without creating a noticeable trip hazard. Use a pre-sloped mortar bed or slope setting board to achieve consistent fall over large areas, and check with a straight edge and torpedo level every 8 to 12 inches. Choose slip-resistant tiles rated for exterior use and install them with a narrow joint to limit water pooling while still allowing grout and sealant to work. Install a full waterproof membrane over the substrate and lap it up against the building, flashing by at least 4 inches to prevent water entering the wall assembly. Provide expansion joints at transitions to concrete or different elevations and space them according to tile size and expected thermal movement, typically every 8 to 12 feet for most installations. Finally, slope the edges of steps and landings and detail drainage locations so water does not cascade toward the building at any weak point. Common mistakes are starting with an inadequate slope and trying to fix it after tile is down, which is hard to correct and invites moisture issues. The fix is to remove tile back to sound substrate and recreate the proper slope with mortar, or fix the deck drainage before tiling. Another frequent issue is using smooth interior tiles outside, which becomes slippery when wet. Specify and install slip-resistant exterior tiles and inspect samples in wet conditions. A third problem is missing or poorly installed waterproofing and flashing, which leads to rot or interior leaks. Make waterproof membrane continuous to the flashing, seal all terminations, and test drains before finishing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by location and project type, so we make it easier to connect on specific exterior tile and drainage needs. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where professionals and homeowners share installation tips and real-world solutions.